1 week is not enough.
Don't be so greedy.
Hey, look, someone's looking for you.
Excuse me. I'm Cynthia Lee.
I see. My boss told me to pick you up.
Who's your boss?
Mr. Robin Hong, your cousin.
How do you do?
Your cousin must be somebody really important here.
Shall we leave?
Yes, let's go.
Let's go.
Pagmasdan nyo mga mukha ng dalawang ito. Sila ang Hughes Brothers, kolektor ng mga baril mula sa mga military at police scalawags. Malakas daw ang koneksyon ng dalawang ito sa loob ng military hierarchy. Siya naman ang ikalawa nating target. Giant Frank, higante ang tawag. Kilala na pinuno ng Southern Connection. Malakas sa Mindanao area, lalong-lalo na sa mga Muslim rebels. Siya naman si Devil Lee, alias Demonyo, isang political warlord at link sa underworld. Ang base of operation niya ay ang buong Luzon. Siya si Boss Coffin, alias Cabao. Ang boss, leader ng kidnap for ransom, financier ng sari-saring krimen, tulad ng drugs, gun smuggling at prostitution. Ang magkapatid na Hong, Robin and his sister Vera. Ang forte nila ay drugs. Pero according to some intelligence sources, may balak ang dalawa na pumasok sa gun smuggling trade. Brains and brawn combination sila. Gagawin ang lahat, makuha lamang ang gusto nila. Walang ibang sinasamba si Robin at Vera Hong kung hindi ang salapi. Okay. Ano ang nangyayari sa inyo at wala pang resulta ang mga fina-follow up niyong kaso? Hindi nagiging maganda ang image natin sa mga tao. Masyado kayong nagiging mababagal.
Sir, hindi basta-basta ang mga suspect natin. High-tech ang kanilang pamamaraan sa kanilang operasyon.
Mas mapapadali sana ang kaso natin kung tutulong sa atin si Teniente sa plan. Higit sila at siyang nakakalam ng source dun sa kaso natin. Ang problema ho natin, masyadong mainitin ang ulo mula lang mamatay ang asawa niya. At parang wala lang gana sa serbisyo.
Abay, kayo man lumagay sa katayuan ni Teniente sa plan, dadamdamin niyo yung nangyari sa pamilya niya, di ba?
Bakit ba lagi si Teniente sa plan ang inaasahan nyo?
Oo nga naman, bakit lagi si Teniente inaasahan niyo?
Shut up!
Sabi ko nga sa kanila, sir, shut up.
Good morning, sir.
Teniente, huli ka na naman. Kanina pa kami nagsimula. Sit down.
Sir.
Ano ba agenda natin, sir?
Makinig ka, Teniente. Mapapansin ninyo na lahat sila ay may common denominator. Gun smuggling. Pagkat sa ngayon, masikip na ang mundo ng drugs. Kaya gusto kong makipag-coordinate ka sa ibang departamento para mapabilis ang pagtatrabaho laban sa sindikato ng mga gun runner.
Alam niyo, sir, mas gusto ko magtrabaho na mag-isa. Mas madali para sa akin. Dahil pag may kasama at nabulilyasong kaso, nagkakasisiyan pa.
I know just how you work, Teniente. Pero ayaw kong malagay ka sa peligro. Malaking grupo ng sindikato ito. At armado rin.
Sir, kahit tangken dalan mo ngayon, kung walang tapang magpaputok, wala ring silbi. Determinasyong pumatay at mabuhay ang kailangan dito.
Eddie, alam ko nararamdaman mo. Pero kailangan ka ng iyong unit. Ng police force. Malaki ang tiwala namin sa iyo.
quite big.
Your cousin must really be rich.
Excuse me, but Mr. Hong's waiting.
Okay.
This way, ma'am.
Ooh. Look at the size of that house.
Yes.
I wonder how much it cost. Robin,
Cynthia, my dear cousin, welcome to Manila.
this is my friend, Pamela.
Oh, Pamela,
Hello.
how do you do? Well, I'm just warming up. How would you like to join me? Come on.
Sure.
You're still good, Cynthia.
You too.
I'll show you around. You really tired me out.
You know, when we were kids, you used to dream a lot. Now all your dreams have come true.
When I first came here, I had a very hard time. Then I joined those treasure hunters and found a fortune in buried treasure. Well, I guess I was just lucky.
Yeah, good fight.
Beautiful, fantastic. You will both be my guests for dinner tonight. Okay?
Okay.
All right? Come on.
You really showed them, huh?
Boss,
What is it?
I have something to tell you.
This way.
Boss, may masamang nangyari.
Huwag niyo sabihin na bigo kayo sa inyong misyon.
Yun nga ho.
Ano? Apat kayo? Malalakas ang armas? Isang pipitsuging pulis lang ang kalaban, wala kayo nagawa.
Nabigla ho kami sa pagdating ni Tiniente sa plan.
Mga inutil! Ang sabihin mo, nataranta kayo. Umikot ang mga bitukan nyo sa karuwagan. Ito tandaan mo. Sa susunod, pag naulit ito muli, gagawin kong bahay ng putakti ang katawan mo. At para makuha mo muli ang tiwala ko sa'yo, kailangan mapatay mo si Teniente Eddie Saplan. Naintindihan mo?
Yes, boss.
Hello? Honey, andito ang mama ngayon. Ang gusto sana niya, sabay-sabay tayong kumain. May mahalaga siyang sasabihin sa'yo.
Han, gagabihin ako. Meron kasi akong pinapollow up eh.
Kaso na naman. Honey, wala ka na bang nasa isip kundi puro trabaho? Nangako ka sa akin na dito ka kakain ha.
Naku, Han, importante kasi itong matapos bukas eh. Alam mo naman wala akong pinangarap araw-araw kundi ang luto mo.
Ah, basta. Pag hindi ka umuwi ngayon, hindi na kita ipagluluto kahit kailan.
Han, alam mo naman ang klase ng trabaho ko. Akala ko ba naunawaan mo ko?
Yun na nga eh, puro na lang pangunawa. Wala ka nang panahon sa amin ng anak mo eh. Pati tuloy ang mama, lalong tumitindi ang tampo sa'yo. Nakalimutan na nga raw niya ang mukha mo eh.
Oh, wag mo naman akong konsensyahin. Sige na. Tatapusin ko na to, okay? Kiss Angela for me.
Halikan mo ang sarili mo. Kung hindi ka uuwi, huwag ka nang umuwi kahit kailan.
Han? Han?
Hindi na darating magaling mong asawa, no? Noon pa man kasi, sinabi ko na sa'yo na huwag kang pumatol sa lalaking yun, pero masyado ka mapilit.
Mama, mabait naman si Eddie eh. Mahal ko siya. At saka mahal na mahal din naman niya ako eh.
Naku, Wala siyang ibang mahal kundi yung kanyang trabaho na hindi naman sapat sa kabuhayan niyo. Alin, kung hindi ko kayo tinutulungan, buhat ang ikasal kayo, mabubuhay ba kayo ng ganito?
Mama, wala na ho bang katapusan ng galit niyo sa asawa ko? Eh kung hindi naman ho, busy yun eh. Sigurado naman hong darating yun eh.
Ay, nako. Bahala ka na. Buntot mo, hila mo.
Mami! Mami! May tao!
Anong ginagawa niyo rito? Umuwi ka.
Dadali kita sa ospital.
Huwag na. Inihanda ko yung paborito mo.
Kalimutan mo muna yun.
Si Angela. Huwag mo pababayaan.
Maria,
Mami, huwag mo kaming iiwan. Mami, kailangan ka namin. Mami, hindi ka mamatay. Mami, huwag mo kaming iiwan, Mami. Mami! Mami! Mami!
Mahal, mahal.
Kasalanan mo ito! Kagagawan mo lahat ng ito! Ikaw ang dahilan ng pagkamatay ng anak ko! Salot! Lumayas ka! Magmula ngayon, wala ka ng karapatan sa apo ko! Iwanan mo na kami! Lumayas ka! Ayaw na namin makita pagmumukha mo kahit kailan! Lumayas ka! Lumayas ka!
Why don't you both stay here?
Thanks, but we can't. I promised Pamela I'd show her around.
If you ever change your mind, you're more than welcome here. Ah, Vera. Remember our cousin, Cynthia? And her
Hello.
friend, Pamela.
Hi.
Of course. You want to try this?
No, maybe next time.
Okay.
Daddy! 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 Daddy!
Halika dito! Ang kapal mo talaga! Hindi mo makukuha ang apo ko kailanman!
Really a good resort. Great vacation. My cousin is really rich. What does he do? As far as I know, he's a businessman who owns a big warehouse. Really? Let's not talk about him. Okay, keep peddling. Ah, this is the life. I could stay here forever. Yes, I know. But what if we were suddenly called back? By the boss?
Forgot about him.
Wow. Tungkulin to, sir. Kailangan ko to pa rin. Mabuti na nga lang eh. Walang nakakabisto sa akin.
Pero bagay Buti na lang wala nagkakakursunada sa'yo. Siguro naman, Alan, pag natapos natin ang misyong ito, tutuparin na ni Colonel Suarez ang pangako niya sa'yong itataas ang rango mo.
Sana nga, sir. Matagal na rin ako sa serbisyo.
May mga bago ka ba impormasyon?
Oo, sir. Napag-alaman ko na nag-import ng malalakas na klaseng armas si Devil Lee. At sa anumang oras darating yun.
Kailangan malaman mong takdang araw at oras ng pagdating para may ebidensya tayo laban sa kanila.
Alam mo bang lumalala ang kanilang Cold War dahil sa mahigpit na kompetisyon?
Eh di mabuti. Magiging madali para sa atin. Dahil siguradong sila magpapatayan.
Siya nga pala, sir. Kumusta na pala si Angela?
Okay lang siya. Ang problema ko, yung biyenan kong babae, parang inilalayo yung kalooban ng bata sa akin. Hindi pa rin makalimutan yung pagkamatay ng misis ko.
Alam mo, sir, darating din ang panahon na maiintindihan din ng biyanan mo ang mga pangyayaring yun. Malilimutan niya yun. Siguradong si Bosto. Sir, alis na ako. Baka magkahalataan.
Basta, mag-ingat ka lang. Sweetheart.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, pardon me.
Brad,
Sir,
saan yung mga nag-aaway dito?
naawat na ho.
Yes?
Fax from Hong Kong, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
What is it?
It's also for you.
For me? I told you should not have let the boss know where we are.
But I can't help it.
You want that promotion, that's why.
But I deserve that promotion.
You want that promotion? What drive me into this? Answer it.
Hello?
Inspector Lee,
Yes, boss. Yes, boss?
Inspector Yang with you.
Yes, boss.
I assume you received my fax.
Yes, I got it.
All right. You and Pamela will now take care of the Cheng brothers case. They will be arriving from Hong Kong tomorrow.
But we are still on our vacation.
Not anymore, Inspector. Since you are in the Philippines, your vacation leaves are hereby cancelled. You take care of this case, and this is an order.
Yes, sir.
Very well then. Good luck to both of you.
Now we work. Well, the Cheng brothers will join the Morning Star tour tomorrow.
Are you Tony and Johnny?
Come on.
Yes, we are.
Come with me.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Let's go eat.
Okay. Let's go this way.
Sit down, please. I'll show you the stuff.
Very good.
Okay, okay. Here are the samples of the guns you ordered. Best quality. Check. Very nice. Bullets. Of course we don't put bullets. For safety reasons.
Oh, I see. Where's the testing?
Don't worry. I'll arrange that tomorrow. At the firing range.
What's the meaning of this?
We're police from Hong Kong.
Pulis ha? Kung pulis kayo, ako si Jackie Chan.
Timing ka talaga, sir.
Hey, suot nyo.
Huh?
Wear, bracelet.
Okay.
Pulis Hong Kong ha?
There.
Hey, you also. You.
Sige. Hindi naman ako kasama dun, sir eh.
Ka na magreklamo.
Why don't you believe we are Hong Kong police?
Explain to my boss when he gets here.
Tough cop.
Yeah, that's me, tough cop.
This guy is playing with us. I think he's just a big fool.
Stop talking, ladies, or I'll shoot you.
Why, do you hate Chinese? Shoot you, shoot you.
Sayang, magaganda pa naman. Pero mukhang may mga tama.
I think he's insulting us. I don't know, but he looks serious.
What's going on?
Sir,
Ah, finally you have come, sir.
I'm Colonel Marcelo Suarez, PNP. Glad
Ah.
to meet you.
I am Cynthia Lee. We're police from Hong Kong. We are on a special
Yes.
mission for Interpol.
Yes, your superiors have already briefed me.
Good.
Gun smuggling, right? So if you're Inspector Lee, then you must be Inspector Pamela Yang.
Right. I'm Inspector Young. But how come you know us, Colonel?
Well, Thunderkick, your boss, has been a very good friend of mine for many years. 2 days ago, he informed me that you were here and faxed your photographs to me. Eddie, the handcuffs.
sir, sigurado ka ba? Mukhang mga siraulo to eh.
Palagan mo na sila.
You see? You made a mistake. This man's fooling with us. Just because we're strangers here. Smart cop, huh?
Hey, you're not in Hong Kong. We do things differently here. Even if you're a policewoman. Huh?
This man is really throwing us around.
Relax, Pamela. At least we're finished with him.
Anyway, I promised your boss that I would assist you. Lieutenant Saplan, you take charge.
Sir, baka pwedeng iba.
Lieutenant? No. That's an order.
Sir, is there anybody better than him?
He's the best.
Let's go.
Hey, take it
Let's
easy,
go.
man.
Puro kayo palpak. Nawala ang mga diskarte nyo.
Pero boss,
Tama na! Kahit ano sabihin mo, todas na ang chambladas. Nawala tayo ng malaki palokyano. Nasa si Alan?
Boss, inaayos niya yung mga baril na naitakas niya bago mag-raid.
Buti pa si Alan. Ginagamit niya utak niya.
Nakachambahan lang ho kami. Nga pala, boss, dumating na yung mga baril galing Taiwan para kay Mr. Lee.
Sige. Ipadala mo na. Ayusin nyo.
Oo.
Bago dating.
Kaninang umaga.
Okay.
Pagbutihan mo yan, ha? Baka mamaya sumabit tayo.
Oho.
Sayang ang Cham Brothers. Mahusay ka negosyo.
Oo nga, boss. Kaya lang,
Ano yun, Alan?
si Saplan.
Si Saplan.
Siya ang nakita kong pumatay sa magkapatid. At nandun din ang iyong pinsan.
Pinsan.
2 babae. At narinig ko sila. Ang inyong pinsan at ang isa ay mga pulis, Interpol.
Si Cynthia. Police.
How did you know we were here?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Teka, pare.
Just some friendly advice. Leave the country. We've received information that some bad guys are after your heads.
Thanks for the advice. Please tell cousin that his warning is appreciated. Anyway, we can take care of ourselves.
Well, God bless you.
Your cousin sister is a tough lady. No way. She's nothing.
Cynthia!
Cynthia. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's dangerous for you to stay here.
Any suggestions?
Yeah. Time to move.
Guess we have to go. Not with him.
You don't have a choice. Let's go. You will be staying here. How do you like the house?
Hey! Wow!
A house like this is very expensive in Hong Kong. Who owns it?
An architect friend of mine, working abroad.
Woo! I think it's safe here. Thank you for your
love it.
hospitality.
Let's go.
Oh, Vera. Bakit hindi ka pa nagbibihis? Hinihintay na tayo sa party. Bihis na.
Oo, mamaya na.
Ano, ayos na yung 2 babae?
Inupakan na namin. Kaya lang nakialam si Tiniente sa plan.
Wala kayong nagawa.
Relax ka lang, Tol. aayusin din natin si Saplan.
Kailangan mawala yung tatlong yan.
Dinner!
Oh,
Time to eat.
Good.
smells good.
Let's eat.
Go ahead.
Oh, yeah, I will.
Actually, this is a Thanksgiving dinner. We are very grateful for the help you've given us. We owe you one.
Yes.
Oh, no. You owe me two.
Oh, 1 or 2. Just the same. Thank you.
You cook well. Like my wife.
Oh, you have a wife? How could she stand you?
She couldn't.
How come?
She's dead.
Sorry.
Okay, stop talking, Cynthia. Here, try this one. It's good. Go ahead.
Ouch! Hello?
Inspector Lee, listen. Henry Wang just left Hong Kong for Manila.
That's a big problem.
You're telling me. I want you and Inspector Wang to...
Shut up!
You want me to shut up?
No, sir. They
Listen,
were just
Inspector,
here.
keep your eyes on Henry Wang. That's an order.
Oh, sir.
Cynthia, did you remove the eggshells? They're all gone.
Just ruined our conversation.
Saan ang clubhouse natin, engineer? Diyan ho, sir. Sa site na yan. At magmula ho rito hanggang dun, maglalagay ho tayo ng parking space dyan para sa mga kliyente natin.
Bob, si Henry Wang, dumating na.
Mayayarang cable car sa loob ng 3 linggo.
Si Henry Wang dumating na.
My friend,
Mr. Lee,
Mr. Wang. Welcome to the Philippines.
I heard you were doing pretty well.
This is my place. Big, isn't it?
Indeed, very
Come on,
impressive.
I'll show you around.
Sure.
This will be the biggest and most modern resort in Asia. Those are the main clubhouses. A cable car will bring you down to the beach, and a private cable car will take you down to my armory.
This is a perfect cover for your gun syndicate.
Thank you. Well, I can supply your need. Guns, ammunition, in whatever quantity.
But can you supply all my clients?
That's no big deal. It all depends on how much you're willing to pay me.
$50 million U.S. Your shipment guaranteed in 2 weeks. My cash on delivery.
No problem.
Good. I will make preparations at once.
Oh, no. You're my guest. Come on, let's finish the tour.
Okay.
Next to the golf course, they're building 2 riding stables.
Ano bago?
Balita ko, maglalabas ng maraming malalakas na armas si Devil Lee. Dumating na yung tao.
Kung ganun, mahalagang malaman mo ang taktang oras at araw ng delivery para makapaghanda tayo. Kamusta sa loob?
Lumalala ang gulo. Pare-pareho kasi silang mga swapang. Gusto ng lahat mauna para masolo ang transaksyon. Balitang-balita kasi, sir, na malakas kumuha ng mga armas ng taong to eh. Sigurado ako si boss na to. Alis na ako, sir.
Dobling ingat lang. Sexy.
There.
Pambihira. Panalo na naman.
You lose, you
Sobra
lose,
to,
you
mga
lose.
panyero.
Okay.
Nadadaya tayo.
Ganun ba? 10 beses na tayong tinatalo nito.
Hustler to.
Kaya
Okay,
pala
Peg.
kanina pa na nanalo.
Come on, give me the money.
Puro pandaraya ginagawa
Come on.
nito.
Oh,
Mabuti
you
pa
pay me,
umayaw na
come
tayo
on.
at baka maubos
Yeah.
tayo.
Ubusin tayo, di ba?
Ano pang ginagawa natin? Tara na.
Okay.
Tayo na.
Now, let's play another round. Come on, let's play.
No,
No,
Mr.
thanks.
Wang. I'm sorry. We don't want to play with you anymore. You play by
Hey,
yourself. No.
Wait.
Tara.
Malaki ng talo ko, panyero.
That's the problem with you guys. You don't want to lose. You are all a bunch of good winners but bad losers.
Want to play the real game?
Wow!
Wow.
Can I join you?
Good afternoon. Come in, please. Come in. Come in. Make yourself comfortable.
I want to play.
So, you want to play? Name your game.
Let's play blackjack.
Okay, blackjack it is.
I'll bet 1,000. You want to play pick up the card, mister?
Oh, you bet.
Do you want to see what I have?
Oh, I must be dreaming.
Ano, payag ka sa presyo ko?
Hindi ako baliw.
How much do you offer then?
No way, my friend. No way. Sampid ka lang dito sa Pilipinas. So there's no way, my friend. No way. Hindi mo ko kayang pigilan sa pakikipag-deal ko kay Wang. Kaya kung ako ikaw, I would stick to drugs. That's better.
Vera? Oh. Tuloy ang plano. Bye-bye.
Tayo na!
Lumalala ang sitwasyon. Base sa intelligence reports, magbabawian ang mga grupo ng sindikatong involved sa gun smuggling.
Hindi na ako nagtataka dyan, sir. Malaking bayar ang dumating mula sa Hong Kong. Tiyak na magkakanya-kanya mga sindikatong yun.
Yun ang inaalala ko. Malaking gulo to.
Eh, sir, paano tong dalawang singkit na to?
Ladies, your lives are in danger here. You'll have to leave the country.
Huh? What?
The situation's getting out of hand. We don't want to find two bodies floating down Pasig River.
We don't understand.
There was a big shootout down south. And we believe that gun smuggling syndicates are involved in this.
So?
Reports have it that somebody big from Hong Kong is behind all this. His name is Henry Wang.
Henry Wang?
You know him?
Yes, we do. That's why you need us. Because we are the only ones who can tell you what he looks like. Any information?
Well, we're going to a party.
Party?
Dandahan, ha?
Boss, ayun na yung mga cargo.
Oh. Teka. Bigat eh.
So what happens next?
We'll wait till tonight. We'll load the goods, then we'll ship them to Hong Kong.
Bilisan nyo!
Freeze!
Huwag kang kikilos!
Police!
It's that crazy Eddie Soplan again!
Come on, we must get away. Go!
Come on!
What's wrong? He's gone. We'll deal with him later. Let's take care of these guys first. Come on.
Walang kikilos sa inyo na masa. Oh.
Boss,
What happened?
we were about to deliver the goods to the warehouse, as Henry Wang requested. But we were intercepted by Eddie Zaplan, your cousin, and the other Chinese girl.
Nakakainis! Nakakapi ka na, ha? Masyado na tayong pinapakialaman ng magaling na pulis na yon.
Sino? Si Teniente Saplan?
Hindi lang siya. Kasama na ron ang magaling nating pinsan.
Okay. Tapusin mo si Saplan. At ang gusto ko yun sigurado. Ako naman ang bahalang dumurog sa mga kumakalaban sa atin.
Boss, Henry Wang is making a deal with Coffin tomorrow.
Tapusin sila. Huwag magtitira kahit isa.
Yes, boss.
How do you like my warehouse?
Devili is developing this big resort in the Philippines, and you are constructing this enormous warehouse. Both of you are really determined to outdo each other, huh?
Devili is no longer a competitor.
How can you say that? Both of you share one of the biggest markets for the transshipment of guns and ammunition in the whole of Asia.
But I'm afraid you're missing the point.
What do you mean?
Devili was killed.
Well, that's all the better for you, my friend.
You think I had him killed?
Oh, no, not at all. Let's just talk business.
Sounds good. How much do you want?
50 million.
50 million? No problem.
And your merchandise should be as good as Devili's.
Right. Berto,
Boss. Ano po yung boss?
dalhin mo na dun sa basement. Si Mr. Wang.
This way, sir.
Well then, I'll see you later.
Okay.
You two, wait here.
It's a setup. Let's go.
Tawagan mong manugang mo. At sabihin mong ipinatatawag siya ng anak niya. At huwag kang magkakamali. Kung hindi, pasasabugin ko yung ulo ng batang ko! Gagawin ko lahat ang gusto mo! Huwag mo lang sasaktan ang apo ko! Gagawin ko lahat! Huwag mo sasaktan ang apo ko!
Dapat ka ba o hindi?
Sir, wala akong kinalaman doon.
Anong wala?
Kitang-kita ka ng lahat ng mga witness.
Yang mukha mo, kuhang-kuha. Kopyang-kopya ka sa drawing ng mga polis. Pati bigote mo, parang litrato mo na nga eh.
Sir, baka mga fans ko lang yung ginaya mukha ko.
Mga fans naman pinagsasabi mo, ha?
Ano?
Loko! Ikaw, marami ka ng atraso rito, ha? Marami ka ng kaso, hindi lang yan. Matagal na kitang hinahanap. Baka gusto mo bang...
Huwag ba pumutok yan?
Lighter to. Kaming, magsisindi ako.
Sir, ano ba kaso niyan?
Sir, ito yung wanted na matagal na natin hinahanap. Kaya lang napakatigas ng ulo, ayaw mamin eh.
Umaming ka na.
Sir, wala talaga akong kinalaman, sir eh.
Bakit? Anong akala mo sa aming mga polis? Kaya mo lukuhin?
Sir, ito nakapatay.
Nakapatay ba yan? Nakapagsalita na ba?
Ayaw umamin eh, pero ito yung murder weapon na gamit sa pananaksak.
Pasok sa loob yan.
Sa akin yan.
Sige, pasok doon.
Sir,
Pasok! Basta umamin ka lang, akong bahala.
Sir naman, pawin niyo na
Matigas ang ulo mo eh.
Ayaw mo umamin, ha?
Sir, wala akong alam doon.
Ikaw ang susunod.
Ikaw naman kasi, kaya ang may papayo ko lang sa'yo, dapat, magtapat ka na.
Sir, wala akong kinalaman, sir. Ay, sir, talaga wala akong kinalaman, sir. Ay, ang sakit ko. Ay, sir, parang awa niyo na, sir. Wala akong kinalaman, sir. Sir, pahawa na po kayo sa akin, sir. Sir.
Ano? Ayaw pa rin umamin?
Ayaw umamin.
Wala naman po talaga akong kinalaman, sir.
Pasok sa loob.
Pumasok ka doon. Pasok, pumasok ka doon.
Ayoko. Bubugbugin ako.
Ano?
Hey, sir. Sir, aminin ko na po, sir. Aminin ko na po. Ako pumatay.
Hindi ikaw ang pumatay.
Ako pumatay.
Hindi ikaw ang pumatay.
Ako pumatay. Ako pumatay.
Pare, ito daw pumatay. Halika na. Halika. Sige, dali mo na yan.
Sige, kulong niyo na lang ako, sir.
Kailangan. Mamin din. Thank you, sir.
Wala nga naman. Sige, labas na kayo.
Okay, sir. Ayos.
Uy, makan mo.
Uy, chicks.
O, Rudy. Galing sa anak ko. Naglalambi si Angela. Pupuntahan ko lang sa bahay ng lola
Sige,
niya.
sir. Mahal na mahal ni sir si Angela.
Ingat, sir.
Sige.
Okay na okay yung gimmick ni sir kanina. No?
Oo.
Kala mo akong binubugbog.
Hey, there's
si
Rudy.
Baklas
Hi,
yan.
Rudy.
Oh, hi.
Where's the lieutenant?
He just went to visit his mother-in-law.
That's strange. He never liked his mother-in-law. Something's wrong here. Do you know where she lives?
I know the place. I can take you there.
Let's go.
Batch, sandali lang. Sasama ko lang sila. Sige. Sige, Batch.
Boss, nandiyan na si Crazy Eddie.
Very good. Ibaba mo yung baril mo, Teniente. Baba!
Ikaw ang magbaba ng baril kung ayaw mo magkasubukan tayo.
Ah, ganon. Putas ang bumbuno na matandang to.
Ituloy mo. Ituloy mo nang mabawasan ng pakialamero sa mundo. Biyanan ko lang yan.
Ah, gusto mo magsalita, ha? Talagang wala kang kwenta! Nasisira na ang utak mo! Dahil sa'yo namatay ang anak ko! Ngayon ako naman at ang apo ko isusunod mo! Baliw!
Mamamatay na lang kayo dyan. Puro sumpat pa naririnig sa inyo. Mabuti nga yun. Tutuluyan na magsara ang bibig mo. Sige, putok mo! Iputok mo!
Iputok, ha? Kumita na yan, Tiniente.
Push! Liga!
Akin na!
Tignan ko kung makakapalag ka pa rito.
Ano gagawin niyo sa kanya?
Ito, pampakalma.
Go that way.
Okay.
Sige, patayin niyo na sila lahat at isama niyo na ito.
Tigil! Kundi mamamatay kayo!
Lola, kamusta po kayo?
Mabuti-buti na. Are you
Okay
feeling better?
po.
Yes.
Good.
Para ho sa inyo.
Siya nga pala, biscuit para sa inyo. At saka may dala kaming prutas.
Naku, bait-bait. Ano, Rudy? May balita ka na ba tungkol kay Eddie?
Wala pa ho eh. Grandma's asking about Eddie.
Don't worry, Grandma. We'll keep looking.
Huwag ho kayo mag-alala. Kumikilos ho ang buong departamento para hanapin si Eddie.
Just rest, Grandmother. Everything will be all right. And don't worry about Angela. She's with us. And until we find him, we'll take good care of her.
Thank you very much. Magpapakabait ka, ha?
But they won't let me eat too much.
That's because you're too fat now.
But they won't let me eat too much.
Ako, kulit talaga. Kasi nga, it's bad for you.
Salvage nito eh.
Malamang, katapusan na ni sa plan yan.
Laki nakatakas sa akin ito, pare. Pare, si boss.
Ang magaling na pulis, Teniente Eddie Sablal. Balita ko, magaling kayo mga pulis sa baseball.
Ang dami pa seremonya. Kung papatay mo nila ako, gawin mo na.
Relax. Hindi ako basta pumapatay. pinahihirapan ko muna. Dodong!
Boss.
Gordo! Dalin mo!
Malapit na ako kilalaning hari ng racket na ito. Ayusin ang pag-impake, ha?
Yes, boss. Dalihan nyo.
Nang ma-deliver na yan.
Okay na to. Isiksik mo mabuti yan dyan.
Yes, sir.
Hi, brother.
Oh, Vera. Mukhang enjoy na enjoy ka.
Ayos na.
Sino? Si Eddie.
Si Eddie. He's now under my control.
Bakit binuhay mo pa siya?
Alam kong ginagawa ko.
You are playing with fire.
Don't worry, brother. Wala na siyang kaligtas-ligtas ngayon sa akin. That I promise you.
Gawin mo. Tubig. Tubig.
Nauuhaw ka? Magdusa ka. Walang tubig.
Hello, boys! Hello!
Pare. Chicks mo. Chicks? Ayun o. Oo nga, no. Sarap. Ang gandang pepa to, no. Tara dun. Dali. Ganda. Ang swerte natin, pare. Ang sexy. Una ako, ha? Ay, hindi. Ako nakakita niyan. Ako una. Ang cute. Oo, ang sexy. Ang cute, no? Ang cute nga.
Hi!
Bakla!
Sir, okay ka pa ba?
Ang pangit mo talaga.
Are you sure this is the place?
The man who called me up said we found him here.
This place looks deserted.
Let's look around. Be careful.
Come on. Rudy, hurry! Eddie!
Careful.
Eddie!
Mga gago!
pabayaang makatakas si Eddie. Nagpatalo kayo sa iisang tao lang. Puro kayo mga inutil. Sa tambak kayong inutil!
Here, Grandma. He's safe. Thank God. He's getting better.
Yes. The doctor said he'll be fine.
Yes, and he's quite near.
Where?
Dito lang, Lola. Pagkagaling nga namin dito, pupuntahan namin si Daddy.
Is it true Eddie is here? Yes, it's true, Grandma.
He's in room 307.
Oh. So you don't have to worry. Relax.
Daddy!
Hello, Eddie.
Hi. Daddy!
Hi, anak.
Daddy!
So, how's your case going on? Have you arrested Henry Wang?
No,
Come
I'm afraid
on.
not. Forget about work. Here. Have an apple.
Thank you.
I just learned some Tagalog. Ang masama damo, mataga mamatay.
What? Anong sabi?
Daddy, ang sabi raw niya, ang masamang damo, matagal mamatay.
That's it.
By the way, thank you for the concern and for taking care of my little girl. Has she been naughty?
Oh, no. She is well behaved.
How's my mother-in-law?
She's okay. Nothing to worry about. She asked about you.
She's in room 403.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, kamusta na?
Sir,
Rudy,
kamusta na ho kayo?
Tita, I'm hungry. Can we have dinner?
Sure.
Okay, I'll treat you to dinner.
Okay, let's
Okay.
go.
Tara.
Let's go.
Angela?
Sige ho, sir.
Take care, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Rudy.
See you tomorrow.
Ma, ba't nandito kayo? Baka makasama sa inyo.
Huwag akong alalahanin mo. Ikaw ang dapat magpalakas dahil kawawa naman yung anak mo. Kung ilang araw na rin walang ibang kasama kundi yung 2 babae.
Oo nga ho eh. Nahihiya nga ako sa kanya. Kaya bata-bata pa, puro problema na. Pati nga ho sa inyo eh. Malaki na utang ko.
Eddie, yung mga nangyari, hindi na dapat pag-usapan pa.
Ang bala pala, Ma. Nakakapagpabait ng tao.
Anong ibig mong sabihin? Masama akong tao?
Nagbibiro lang, Ma.
Ang hindi ko maubos maisip ay kung paano nakatakas ang Eddie sa plan na yan.
Boss! Oh, bakit Alan? May problema ka ba?
Meron ho, boss. Tungkol kay Tony, Johnny, at kay Frank Giant. May nakarating ho sa aking mga balita na sinisiraan nila kayo kay Henry Wang para sila makapag-ari.
Ah, ganun. Ibabalik natin sa kanilang katrayduran.
May mas maganda akong plano. Papasukin ni Alan ang grupo nila. Pagkatapos magsusumbong siya sa mga parak. Pag nahuli sila, bingo! Solo na natin ang negosyo.
Tell your Hong Kong and Taiwan connection that everything's okay here in Manila. Just a little power play.
Will do. And tell them that there's only one group running the show. My brother here and Frank.
And what about Robin?
Tell them that as far as business is concerned, he's dead.
There are goods over there in A1 condition, right there. We'll deliver them to any destination you choose by our own ship.
Gentlemen, I have an appointment with somebody in the casino. Keep in touch.
No problem.
Mr. Wang?
See ya. Welcome to the big time. It was so easy.
I'll drink to that.
To us.
Oh, konti bilis lang para may lipat ng lahat yan. Sige! Bilisan nyo!
Hey, boy! How's it going?
Boss, everything is going as planned.
Magsigaw, let's go! Call up! Atas! Dali! Hey, Frank, we're surrounded! Shoot her!
Robin, wala kaming kinalaman sa pangyayari. Totoo yun.
I'm not taking any of this from you! No way!
Ano bang akala ninyo? Kaya niyo akong lamangan? Sa klase ng negosyong to, mahirap talagang magtiwala. Lalo na sa inyo tatlo. Hindi niyo ako matatalo. Yun pa akala ninyo? Kaya niyo akong talunin? Ha? Sa akin lang makikipag-deal si Henry Wang. Ha? At wala kayong magagawa.
Maliwala ka, Robin. Sa'yo kami. Si Frank ang may pakanan to lahat.
What's the matter with you guys? We planned this!
Ikaw lang.
You go to hell!
Magsama-sama kayo ni na Devil at Kabaong sa impyerno.
Mga bata, ihanda ang regalo natin sa kanila. Wait, Robin, no! No! Pabaon ko sa inyo. Welcome back, Teniente. Utang mo sa dalawang ito ang buhay mo.
Yun na nga ho, sir eh. Kaya hanggang ngayon, bitbit ko pa rin yung dalawang yan.
Eddie, Henry Wang has proven to be very elusive. Napakatinik niya. I really don't know who's behind all this. The syndicate is well-financed and can afford to buy people and loyalties.
My informant is good, but could not gather enough evidence to pin down the gang of Robin Hong.
Did you say Robin Hong?
Don't tell me you know Robin Hong.
We grew up together. Hong's a distant cousin. I never thought he was a gun smuggler.
Ah, not just guns. He's the biggest drug dealer in the country today. He's smart. He never fronts in any of his deals. That's why it's hard to pin him down.
He's the only one left. All his competitors are gone.
In Hong Kong, a crime lord has to show he is strong to be respected.
By eliminating his enemies as well as the competition, he shows everybody that he is in control. Robin would prove to Wang that he is the big boss and Wang should only deal with him. I'm sure one of these days he will make a mistake. So all we can do now is wait for him to make an error.
So you're telling me now that all we can do is wait?
We have no other choice now, have we?
Whatever the case, we will keep our special forces on red alert status.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Sir!
Tomorrow I will show you my factory, so you can choose what you need.
When can you make your delivery?
It's up to you.
When the cargo reaches Hong Kong, you'll be paid.
How would we know you will pay?
Good point.
You can hold me hostage till you get paid.
Fair enough.
Now I'm interested to see your factory.
Anytime, my friend.
Good.
Lalo kang gumaganda.
Kayo talaga, sir.
Ano balita?
Ito balita. Kahit na kontrolado na nila Robin at Vera ang buong negosyo ng gun smuggling, maingat pa rin ang magkapatid.
Dapat lang. Dahil hindi ko talaga sila titigilan.
May malaking operasyong magaganap sa linggo. Kung anong oras. At saan, di ko alam. Ganun na sila kaingat, sir.
Matagal lang hindi pumapapil si Robin. Sa tingin ko, malapit nang lumutang yon.
Sa palagay ko rin, sir. Hindi ang katulad ni Robin ang makakatiis na matagal sa lungga. Anong plano nyo?
Code red na tayo. Mula ngayon, priority ka sa surveillance list. Buong puwersa ang ilalagay kong bubuntot sa'yo.
Kayo nang bahala sa akin, sir.
Mag-iingat ka rin. Malapit na tayo sa objective at ayoko ng bulilyaso. At isa pa, I don't want any dead heroes.
Ang kasabihan nga, ang masamang damo, mahirap mamatay.
Sir, ano pong order nyo?
Bigyan mo akong soft drinks. Bigyan mo siya ng ladies drink.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Aray.
Well, Mr. Hong, I must say I'm very impressed. I think I found the right seller. You've got everything. So when's it going to be?
Ah, my friend. I told you my goods are top quality. That's why I'm raising the price to 20%. I call the shots now. You have no choice but to pay for high quality. Jim, when can we expect the weapons to be here?
Boss, the shipment will be arriving early next week. They are the latest and most modern weapons coming from the Middle East.
Very good, Jim. Satisfied?
Okay. If you want 20% more, I'll give it to you. But that's as far as I go.
Oh, very good. Because if you don't accept, I can always sell it and make as much as 50%.
Boss, may tinawagan si Alan.
Saan ka nanggaling?
Boss, sa CR?
Sinungaling ka! Sino tinawagan mo?
Boss, tumawag nga ako. Pero tumawag lang ako para malaman kung ano nangyayari sa amin.
Isa siyang traidor.
I'll show you the goods inside.
Okay.
Boss, si Alan, siya ang traitor sa ating samahan. Nakita ko to sa kotse niya.
Sigurado ka?
Siguradong sigurado.
Ikaw pala ang ahas sa samahan.
Hindi ho! Hindi!
Ganito ginagawa sa ahas na katulad mo. Pinaikot mo kami ng gusto. Dinoble cross mo kami. Mamamatay ka ngayon. Ulipong! Salubungin niyo! Tumakas na kayo! Atas! Atas! Come on, this way! Sumuko na kayo!
Boss, panatan niyo na. Robin! Kung ayaw ninyong mamatay, sumuko kayo ng mahusay! Ikaw ang mamamatay! Nang dahil sa'yo nasira ang diskarte ko! Hindi kami susuko lalo-lalo na sa'yo! Kung gusto mo lalaban kami sa bahay sa'yo, sige, call kami! Teniente Polpol! Masyado kang ambisyoso! Hindi kami susuko! Huwag mo kaming pagtatakutin! Bopol! Boss! Loko to eh! Panatan ko na! Wala na kayong pupuntahan! Bibigyan ko pa kayo ng isa pang pagkakataon! No way! Pagkakataon! Ako ang tatapos sa'yo ngayon! Magtago ka na! Tapusin siya! Dali!
Hayop ka, buhay ka pa! Talaga masama na mukha! Hayop ka, Teniente! Ayaw mo akong tigilan! Talagang hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi mo nakikilala si Satanas! Ganon! Talagang hindi ako pahuhuli na buhay! Kung ayaw magpahuli na buhay! Uhulihin kita ng bangkay! Ikaw ang uhulihin kong bangkay!
Huwag mo na kami pakialaman, Eddie! Mamamatay ka lang!
Ikaw ang mamamatay!
Kuya, ba't mo ito ginawa? Bakit?
Kailangan ko rin mabuhay, Vera. At ikaw, Teniente. Akala mo wala nang kasukatan tapang mo? Nagkamali ka doon. Pagkat ang papatay sa'yo ay ang tapang mo. At ipakikilala kita ngayon kay Satanas. Gawin! Bibilang ako ng 3. Kapag hindi mo pinabayang baril mo, pasasabugin ko yung baho ng ulo mo! Isa! 2! 3!
Get up! Move!
Pakawalan mo ako! Sablan!
Alan,
Ayos lang. Kaya ko pa, sir.
naalala mo ba yung sinabi ko sa'yo noon?
Ano yun, sir?
I don't want any dead heroes.
Natsambahan lang ako. Siguro naman, mapopromote na ako.
At matutupad na ang pangarap mo na magtayo ng beauty parlor.
Kung mamamatay ako, sama-sama na tayo.
Eddie, thank you for helping us.
It's been a pleasure working with you.
We're taking him in. Let's go.
It isn't over yet.
Move.
Puro ka porma.
Bye, Eddie.
Bye.
We'll miss you.
We'll miss you too.
Angela, you take
Goodbye.
care of yourself,
Goodbye.
okay?
I'll see you soon, Cynthia.
Tita.
Thank you for everything.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
I'll miss your cooking.
Would you like to see me in Hong Kong?
I always wanted to go to Ocean Park. Daddy tells me so many things about it, but never brings me there.
Well, I'm sure he'll take you.
It's not only to go to Ocean Park. I want to see both of you again.
I promise to come back and cook for you again.
Promise?
Promise. Goodbye, Eddie.
So long.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Let's go.
No! Tita, don't go! Don't leave me! I know you won't come back! Don't go! I need you! I need you! Tita Cynthia, don't go! I need you!
You're both breaking my heart.
Shut your big mouth.
Angela, don't cry. I promise to come back again and see you.
I won't let you go!
Angela, you promised me you won't cry.
Yes, but I already lost my mother. I don't want to lose her too.
Pamela, tell the boss I have to stay behind. Tell him it's something important.
Don't worry. I know just what to do, okay?
She should marry you.
Stop barking. Move! Come on!
All right, let's go home now. And you cook me dinner.
And you will help me, okay? Let's go.
Hey, wait! When will you be back?